Good afternoon, Karen. This is Joshua with This and Zed, getting to you with a quick fix for your quiz issue. Hope I catch you before the weekend. If you go to Results, Quizzes, and go to quiz number 1, I noticed something in settings that will solve your problem. If we go to Restrictions, and scroll down, here you've tagged under Late Behavior, quiz is flagged as late, and student is prevented from making further changes. What you should pick is quiz is flagged as late, but student can continue working. Quiz will automatically be scored as 0. That's your choice. If you pick that, all should be good. Now, just so you know, you will have to go back to quiz 1 and I believe 2 based on the time limits for your quizzes. And any student, after you've made these changes, any student that has already taken the quiz, you're going to have to manually place a 0 in the gradebook for that student. It does not go back and retroactively change the quiz grade. All right. If you have any questions, please call me at extension 1735, so 970-246-1735. Hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.